As part of our provision, Bawb runs an extensive dance and health programme. This programme uses a number of different elements, the main purpose being to explore how dance can improve well-being of our communities and the people that work with us. The grant that we've been given by Hanfod Cymru will help us to develop this work, and in particular the work that we are doing at the moment with people that are living with dementia. Bawb runs a positive and quite a busy dance and dementia programme by now. This programme offers weekly and monthly dance sessions to people that are living with dementia in care homes across Gwynedd, Anglesey and Conwy. But more specifically with this grant, what we intend to do is to create a dance performance that will tour residential homes across the counties, and again specifically for people that are living with dementia. The performance will be a little bit different to performances that we usually put on or usually create, in the fact that it's going to be interactive, which means that people that experience the performance will do so as a member of an audience watching the dance performance, but also taking part as a dance participant.